Elevate your coding skills with intermediate projects for 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ayesha is coding. If you're an intermediate coder looking to level up your skills and add some impressive projects to your portfolio, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing the best coding projects for 2025 that will challenge you, teach you valuable skills, and showcase your abilities to potential employers or clients. Let's dive right in. Once you've mastered the basics, like loops, functions, and simple web pages, it's time to step up your game. Intermediate projects are the sweet spot. They're not too easy to get bored, but not too hard to leave you frustrated. These projects will help you strengthen your problem-solving skills and learn tools used by professional developers. Ready to get started? Here's the first project idea. First up, a dynamic to-do list app built with React. React is one of the most in-demand JavaScript libraries, and creating this app will help you understand concepts like components, state management, and event handling. Key features to include: add, edit, and delete tasks, mark tasks as complete, save tasks to local storage so they persist even after refreshing the page. This is a great project to showcase your front-end skills. Next, build an AI-powered chatbot using Python and natural language processing libraries like NLTK or Spacy. You can integrate it with APIs like OpenAI's GPT to make your chatbot smarter. Features to try: answer FAQs, handle user input dynamically, deploy it on a website using Flask or Django. AI is the future, and projects like this will set you apart. Full-stack enthusiasts, why not try creating a blog content management system using the MERN stack? That's MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. What to learn? Authentication and authorization for users, CRUD operations for blog posts, deployment on platforms like Heroku or Vercel. This project gives you hands-on experience with both front-end and back-end development. Data is everywhere, and companies love developers who can make sense of it. Create a data visualization dashboard using libraries like D3.js or Python's Matplotlib and Plotly. Ideas for dashboards: real-time weather updates, stock market trends, social media engagement analytics. This project showcases your ability to present complex data in a user-friendly way. Lastly, dive into mobile development with Flutter and build a mobile app. Flutter's cross-platform capabilities let you create apps for both iOS and Android with a single codebase. App ideas: a fitness tracker, a budgeting app, a recipe finder. Mobile apps are a great way to expand your skill set into the world of app development. These projects are just the beginning. Remember to choose projects that excite you and align with your career goals. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn along the way. Engage with our coding community. If you'd like tutorials or resources for any of these projects, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. And hey, if you build any of these, tag me on social media so I can see your amazing work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your coding buddies, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.